Happy New Year to you. Welcome to 2022. I am toasting you. Thank you so much for being with me today. Welcome to Divine Sound. This is where you have an opportunity to get back into wholeness and come home to the truth of who you are and build that firm foundation. This year, 2022, it symbolizes a couple of things that are really exciting. One, the 2 is about harmony, and the 0 is about amplifying. So as we step into this brand new year, what is it that you would like to amplify? I want you to think about that and bring that in as your intention for our divine sound today, which is focusing on new beginnings. So today we are going to be tuning in to the high frequency alchemy of unconditional love so that it can guide your heart to inspire your mind for new beginnings. We're going to spend 10 minutes with these divine sound vibrations, really focusing on what you want to bring in, what you want to amplify. So go ahead and turn off your notifications, put your phone on airplane mode, and give yourself this 10 minutes of self-care and self-love. Get comfortable. If you'd like to use earbuds, go ahead. It's not necessary. And start taking in some nice, deep, relaxing breaths. Imagining what it is that you want to amplify and bring forward in your life for 2022. Maybe it's a new career. Maybe it's a new love relationship. Maybe it's deeper spiritual connection. Maybe it's better health. Whatever it is, focus on it. Yourself having it, being it. Open your heart and let yourself feel it. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Allow yourself to continue this beautiful expansion and amplification into the new beginnings that you desire and that are right there waiting for you to step into. Sending you lots of love and many, many blessings. Bye now.